The American Samoa National Park is located on an island in the Pacific Ocean.
American Samoa has a very interesting culture. The Samoan culture is Polynesia's oldest. We believe that the first people of the Samoan Islands came by sea from Southwest Asia some 3,000 years ago. This is a picture of a traditional dance performed by the villagers. American Samoa is the only national park south of the equator. This park in the South Pacific is dedicated to preserving the Samoan and Polynesian culture. You may think of tiki masks as a charming way to add tropical flair to your home decor, but these carved wooden masks actually have a long, rich history in Polynesian culture. They are used for many purposes, from ancestor worship to guarding and protecting the borders of homes and temples.
Our first landform that can be found in American Samoa National Park is volcanoes. Onunu is a small volcano in American Samoa. Volcanoes like this are formed when magma from within the Earth's upper mantle works its way to the surface. At the surface, it erupts to form lava that flows in ash deposits. Over time, as the volcano continues to erupt, it will get bigger and bigger. This is a picture of one of the volcanoes in American Samoa National Park.
Igneous rocks can be found in this park. They are formed by volcanoes. When the lava comes out of the volcano, it cools and it forms igneous rocks. Another one of the landforms in American Samoa National Park is coral reefs. We know that these are formed by free-swimming coral larvae when they connect to a rock or a hard surface, forming a colony. An article we found said coral reefs begin to form when free-swimming coral larvae attach to submerged rocks or other hard surfaces along the edges of islands or continents. As the corals grow and expand, the reef takes on one of the three major characteristic structures: fringing, barrier, or atoll. This is a picture of a coral reef in American Samoa National Park.
Here's a beach in American Samoa National Park.
Water shaped these two beaches. The water eroded the rock that was there, and over a long period of time, it broke down into sand, which are tiny pieces of rock.
Most water in the American Samoa National Park is found in the Pacific Ocean, which surrounds the island. The water cycle starts here, and then it evaporates into the atmosphere. When it rains, it infiltrates into the ground and becomes groundwater.
American Samoa needs government funding to preserve the culture. Except for perhaps a few thousand individuals, nearly all inhabitants of American Samoa are indigenous, Samoans of Polynesian ancestry. More than any other U.S. or Polynesian people, Samoans are tradition-oriented and closely follow social customs and heritages from long before arrival of the first Europeans. It is very important to preserve this great culture in American Samoa. This park needs to continue getting government funding.
Thank you.